We tired of the whole chat and say this and say that and being politically correct and nice for the cameras and for the media. We need actual action. We need actual. Welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, if you know me and you know my channel, especially when it comes down to commentary, I've been trying to steer a little bit further away from commentary. I don't know why, I just haven't been feeling it, but I've been focusing more on my lifestyle fashion content. But as far as commentary is concerned, I like to talk about stuff that nobody else is talking about. It gives me great joy to do that because I feel like I am giving you guys information. So if you don't see me do commentary topics, it's just because I feel like I can't find any topics that everyone is not doing, and I like to do topics that everyone is not doing so I can be helpful. We're going to be talking about downtown Kingston and how robbers prey on the vendors in downtown Kingston. And it says vendors at the Coronation Market in downtown Kingston are growing frustrated over frequent robberies despite the police making an effort to increase their visibility in the market district. At the same time, during a tour of the market district with Commissioner of Police General Anthony Anderson yesterday, vendors told Jamaica Observer that misleading voice notes being circulated on social media about violence in the market district since the shooting death of the community leader has caused a drop in business as a number of people have been avoiding the area. The drop in sales and the almost daily robbers, they said, have been making life difficult for them. My sister sell down here and a gunman just come up in and say, give me your babe, and them take away our babe with all the money. She there from Wednesday night and I sell until Saturday night, and them come for the babe. Robbery are going for true, and every week, every day, them rob people. Me feel like with more police, we will be more safe on top of that. From yesterday, nobody not coming down here because them hear voice notes and everything but pure gunshot downtown, a female vendor said. General Anthony Anderson told journalists that he plans to organize greater uniform presence inside the Coronation Market and possibly transform an old digital location there into a police post. Anderson said that there will soon be an influx of motorcycle police personnel who will be at the constant patrol throughout the area. The commissioner said at the same time, we encourage members of the public to go out and shop downtown and to ignore misleading voice notes and videos circulating on the internet about violence in the area. The police chief said that last year, police were able to arrest about 80 people for robberies in the market district, and said with the help of increased covert and uniformed police, more arrests should come. The police will soon be able to respond quickly around here. The response will be motorbike based, so they will be able to move through the traffic and the crowds. Saturday is a big market day, so hopefully we will get our vendors out here to sell and the people will feel safe. Clearly, the vendors have a very good relationship with the police who actually operate in the market. It is really to increase that capacity, use the relationship and build on it. They said things are slow and they largely see it as due to what is being said rather than actually what is happening down there. So they're saying that people are spreading fake voice notes and stuff like that, and that is why people are not coming down there. He continued and said, part of the reason I'm down here is to get a first-hand view, but also reassure people. There was a shooting incident last week and a couple reprisals. 2 other people were shot right afterwards. Sort of thing creates fear, but there were some voice notes going around about shooting down here which were not true. The other night we took a ride along just to show what was happening in downtown Kingston, and it's one for us to say, but I think it is important for the media to carry the message as well. We will fix it as far as policing aspect is concerned. I actually hope they put that police base in that old just office at Coronation Market. I think that would be an amazing idea. However, I feel like General Anthony Anderson has been in the same position for a very long time, and while his ideas are great, we need to see them actually implemented. We tired of the whole chat and say this and say that and being politically correct and nice for the cameras and for the media. We need actual action. We need actually boots on the ground. We need things to happen, because these people in high places have a tendency to have a whole lot of talk but not much action to back it, and people are tired of that. They want to see actual action. So while his statements and whatever he said he's going to do is nice, I would actually like to see it put into place. What are your comments on the whole bunch of robberies happening in Coronation Market? Do you think that the recent death in that area has caused a rise or a spike in the amount of fear in people to go down there? What are your thoughts? Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.